Hey guys, thank you once again for tuning into my channel. This video is on how I achieve these cute curls using perm rods and of course this makeup look. All of the products that I use will be listed in the description box below. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys soon. So right now I'm just sectioning my hair off into 4 equal parts. Then I go in and moisturize my hair with some coconut oil, starting with the ends and working my way up. I part the first section in the back in half and then I clip the top portion away so we can start from the bottom up. Using my new favorite brush, the Deadman brush, I'm just brushing out all of my curls, making sure that there's no tangles at all. I'm using the Smooth and Hold hair pudding as my styling cream. I'm just applying a pea-sized amount to my hair and brushing it out. For the back section, you can split it in either 2 or 3. Now to roll the hair onto the curling rod, you want to start by securing the end of the hair to the very end. And you just want to simply twist the rod up until you reach the root of your hair. And then secure the rod in. Super easy, guys. If you follow my parting method, you should end up with about 24 rods for your entire head. Each of the 4 sections would contain about 6 rods. Sometimes at the very front, you might find that you need a bit more. The size is completely up to you. The more perm rods that you use, the smaller your curls will be and the more defined they will look in the end. If you use less curl rods, your squares will be larger and your curls will be more of a loose curl. So to avoid ruining any of my curls, I part my hair first and then I add the perm rods in. So I knew I was going to wear my hair to one side. So I did my side part and now I'm just finishing up adding in my perm rods so that it dries in that style. I thought I'd add in a clip of another way that you can twist your hair onto the perm rods. So instead of just rolling your hair up, you almost twirl the perm rod around the hair. This is going to give a different type of curl. I suggest playing around with it. Try both. Maybe do it one way one time and then another day try it the other way and see which one you like better.
pretty.
How did I know you were gonna do that?
I can't go with you.
Why?
Looks so nice. So wet.
It's gonna get ruined, but at least I got my video.
You did already?
You're on it right now.
You look so nice, baby.
Thanks.